Today our topic is self-induction and self-inductance. What is self-induction? The phenomena of the production of an induced EMF in a circuit itself due to change in current through it is called self-induction, and the induced EMF is called back EMF. The phenomena of the production of an induced EMF in a circuit itself due to change in current through it is called self-induction, and the induced EMF is called back EMF. Let C be a circuit in which the current I is flowing. Here there is a circuit diagram. There is a circuit in which I current is flowing. The current will set up a magnetic field, and hence a magnetic flux phi is linked with the circuit. As the magnetic field strength at any point is proportional to the current I flowing through a circuit, so that the magnetic flux phi linked with the circuit at any instant is proportional to the current I flowing through the same circuit at that instant. So we can write phi is directly proportional to I, and phi is equals to Li. Here L is constant of proportionality, coefficient of self-induction or self-inductance of the coil. When the current I flowing through a circuit is changed, the magnetic flux linked with the circuit also changes, and an induced EMF is set up in the circuit. And by using the Faraday law, which is E is equals to minus d phi by dt, we get, on putting the value of phi in the equation, we get E is equals to minus d by dt Li, and finally we get E is equals to minus L di by dt. Here L is equals to phi upon I. If I is equal to 1 ampere, then we get L is equals to phi Henry, and we can define self-inductance. The self-inductance of a circuit is defined as the magnetic flux linked with the circuit when 1 ampere current flows through it. If we put I is equals to 1 ampere, then we get L is equal to phi, and we can define L by using the equation second as E is equals to minus L di by dt, and L is equals to E upon minus di by dt. If we put di by dt is equals to minus 1 ampere per second, then we get L is equals to E. Then we get L is equals to E. The self-inductance of a circuit is defined as the EMF induced in the circuit when the rate of decay of current in the circuit is unity. The self-inductance of a circuit is defined as the EMF induced in the circuit when the rate of decay of current in the circuit is unity. We get L is equals to E. Now, self-inductance of a solenoid. Self-inductance of a solenoid. Now let us consider a long air cord solenoid having length small l, cross sectional area capital A, number of turns per unit length is small n. If I ampere current is flowing through the solenoid, then the magnetic field inside the solenoid is given by B is equals to mu naught Ni, and magnetic flux linked with the solenoid given by phi is equals to B into effective area of solenoid. We know that phi is equals to B into A. Flux phi is equals to B into A. So here effective area of solenoid is equal to area of each turn into total number of turns in solenoid. Effective area of solenoid is equal to area of each turn into total number of turns in solenoid. Here effective area of solenoid is equal to N into L into A. So on putting the value, we get magnetic flux linked with the solenoid is equal to phi is equals to B into N L A, and on putting the value of B, we get phi is equals to mu naught Ni into N into L into A, and on solving the equation, we get phi is equals to mu naught N square A into L into I. This is equation first, and since we know that phi is equal to Li, so on comparing the equation first and second, we get L is equals to mu naught N square AL. L is equals to mu naught N square A into L.